Welcome to episode 166 of Apartment Hacker. This is Mike Byrne, and Apartment Hacker is my mission to tease out human potential in the multifamily space. So the theme of this week for me is people. I think on the heels of last week, we need to focus on each other, right? You know, focus on things like love. Let's throw some love into the mix because there's been too much hate over the last week. So this week's theme for me is all about people and really loving people where they are as opposed to where I think they should be, right? So there are long-standing fundamental beliefs that if you just meet people where they are and you exercise a little bit of compassion and interest in them, you come out way better in the long run, okay? So switching gears to business, let's talk about the 80-20 rule as it relates to people. We've all heard this, the Pareto principle, right? 80% of the work gets done by 20% of the people. Well, in 2017 and 18 and 19 and 20, and you've probably experienced this in 2015 and 2016, that doesn't work anymore, right? 80% of the work being done by 20% of the people, despite advancements in the technology world, it just doesn't work. You really have to put a lot of investment in people and bring that 80-20 up to a 60-40 or a 50-50 or even better than that if you can. So one of your top initiatives in 2017, at least the way I think about it, is people. People. It's always been people, but you have to get people up there in the top 3 initiatives, at least the top 3, and it should be at the top in my opinion for 2017 as a business driver. It's a business driver. It's a capital investment that you put into people. And the yield is far in advance of any monetary investment that you can put in a roof or in siding or in windows or in upgraded units or upgraded amenity sets. Invest in people, the people that work for you. So over the course of this week, I want to talk about things like recruiting and retention and training and sending people on quests. That's one of my favorite things in the world, quests. And recognition and furthermore, other stuff that we need to do to focus on people for the balance of 2016 and into 2017. Hope you have a phenomenal day so far. Hope you have a phenomenal week. We'll talk to you again tomorrow.